Well, could Cory Batey help prosecutors convict Brandon Vandenburg?
His high-profile trial in the Vanderbilt rape case begins next month. Batey was already convicted and could be a key witness, but not so fast.
Tonight, an exclusive interview with Batey's lead attorney. She tells Nick Barris they don't plan to side with the prosecution.
The next Vanderbilt rape trial will begin here next month at the Birch Building. And the big question is, will Cory Batey testify against Brandon Vandenburg? Tonight, for the first time, we hear from Batey's attorney.
We're not going to help the prosecution.
Courtney Teasley says she doesn't see a scenario where her client would point the finger at his former teammate on the Vanderbilt football team. A jury convicted Batey last month of raping an unconscious female on campus. Vandenburg faces the same charge at trial next month. NewsChannel 5 legal analyst Nick Leonardo thinks Batey could be called to testify against him.
He's one of the players that could make Vandenburg the ringleader.
There's no indication yet that the DA wants or needs Batey at trial.
I have not heard from the prosecution.
But if she does, this is what she'll tell him.
I definitely don't think that it would be a recommendation from me for him to testify.
Teasley doubts testifying would help Batey at his sentencing in July, and it could hurt him, she says, on appeal. And besides, she says there's nothing he can say.
His story has not changed. She doesn't remember anything from when he went into an alcoholic blackout.
Beyond that, Teasley is upset. Metro Police recently charged Batey with failing to register as a sex offender after his conviction. He only wanted to talk with his attorney first behind bars. That charge has been dropped, but
they disregarded his right to counsel, and so we will be following up with complaints against those officers.
Teasley says the only focus now for her client, Cory Batey, is to focus on the appeal of his conviction. Nick Barris, NewsChannel 5.
Batey's sentencing hearing was moved from next week until July. He faces between 15 and 25 years in prison.